is by their knowledge, education, and intelligence. We don't even know them by their caste. I will request my judges to see on page number 15. There are 9 amendments which have been made after 1950. ডক্টর B.R. আম্বেদকরের পরে এই অ্যামেন্ডমেন্টগুলো হয়েছিল ডিউ টু পলিটিসাইজেশন অফ রিজার্ভেশন। কারণ 140 কোটি ভারতবাসীর মধ্যে এখনো অনেক মানুষ আছে যারা রিজার্ভেশনে ভুক্ত। Government always tries to uplift them, but we believe there should be a proper survey, proper educative goals, and proper missions. তর্কের খাতিরে যদি আজকে আমরা ধরেও নিই যে কোথাও কোথাও ভারতবর্ষের আনটাচেবিলিটি ফলো হচ্ছে, then there is clearly mentioned in Article 338, then you may visit in Supreme Court, High Court, and Subdivision Court because there is National Council for SC, ST, and OBC. You will get their proper justice because India has a vast, flexible in judiciary system. Today, we are going to build a proper survey and we want to uplift the reservation. I will request my judges to go on page number 22. Here we clearly mentioned in our prayer that there should be free higher education, scholarships, and merit. And our clear vision is that we are not against reservation, but we are against the current policy of reservation. And this system must be changed by proper survey, proper merit, proper scholarships, and proper surveys.